Beyiphume ngothilwayo intsha yaKwaZulu-Natal ukuzokwethamela undunankulu wesifundazwe ethula izinhlelo ezibhekene ngqo nayo. Iningi lentsha efana no-Asanda Khawula ineziqu zemfundo ephakeme kodwa ke kuwumqansa ukuthola umsebenzi.
Very hard for them ukuthi sicela ukuthi i-province ne-premier MEC executive yakhe ikwazi ukusiza implement for abantu abakhubazekile.
UNonjabulo Magwaza uneziqu ze-biochemist emva kokuthi imizamo yokuthola umsebenzi iphelelezene okwezithukuthuku zencanga waqoma-ke ukuzithakela amakha. Wethemba-ke ukuthi le mbizo izomelekelela ukukhulisa ibhizinisi lakhe.
Ibhizinisi lami laqala 5 years ago, so I am still in operation to this day, and it is going very well because I have also as well employed youth which are unemployed.
Undunankulu Thami Ntuli uthi-ke bangaphezulu kwezinkulungwane ezingama-30 abantu abasha bazothola-ke izikhala zokugaya isipiliyoni sakusebenza kuhulumeni wesifundazwe phecelezi ama-internships.
I want to assure you, during my tenure, after each and every engagement, you will see the implementation of your inputs. This is not the first and the last engagement with the youth of KwaZulu-Natal.
Intsha-ke ibuye yathola nethuba lokucobelelana ngolwazi yaphonsa imibuzo yaphinde-ke yathola nezeluleko kulabo-ke asebephumelele emkhakheni ehlukahlukene. Uhulumeni uthi-ke awuzogcina-ke ngokukhuluma kuphela kodwa-ke uzoqinisekisa ukuthi intsha iyalekelelwa ukwenza ngcono impilo yayo. Ezindabeni zethu ku-Channel 163 ulethelwa iNewsroom Africa ngenguNtando Mnyandu eMlazi.